Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in to watch this video. Guys, in today's video, I was making a lunch for my kiddos. This one here is my daughter's lunch, which is always unbalanced, as she doesn't like I must add fruits. Like, oh god, she gave me headache when it comes to her lunch. But anyway, I let her be. She's a teenager now. I can't control everything she eats now. Yeah, and the first one was my son's lunch. I usually do just send your normal lunch, which will have a little bit of bread or pies or whatever, and fruits and chips, and sometimes juice. And the second one will be our previous food that we've ate. So he does go with 2 lunch in school. Yeah, I just make sure that I send enough, although he's a picky eater, but yeah, whatever that I send, at least he must have a choice of what to eat. Yeah, so here guys, I am quickly redoing this DIY here. If you have seen my videos previously, you'll know that I've done this. This is my third time doing this. I was really not happy, was never happy with this DIY. Firstly, it was blue, kind of like was happy a bit with the blue, but I changed it and I just made it worse. I just felt like it just blended in with the white walls, the whites in my room. It just didn't stand out. Yeah, so finally I wanted to make something, but in my mind I wanted to it must have a touch of black. Unfortunately, I didn't have paint. I had only spray. So here I had no idea what I was doing, but I was able to fix this, what I was doing here, whatever. You'll see me standing thinking, what have I just done? Yeah, but luckily I was able to fix it, guys. I think I'm happy with how it looks now. It does kind of like look like something I can actually go buy out. It's not perfect, but I feel like now it's got presence in my room. Like it really looks like a nice canvas art, like simple. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with it for now. I think I can stay longer with it, like right. Yeah, I think it's nice, guys. What do you guys think? Give me an honest opinion, because you know what, the thing is, I made this really just avoiding to go buy something new, because something that I liked, it was 1,500 and Mr. Price, and I was like, yo, on this I can actually just spend 500 rand. Actually, it was even less than 500 rand buying this canvas arts. Yeah, maybe 500 rand including the sprays. Yeah, so I've saved 1,000 rand, and yeah, so that's the whole idea that made me to actually try to do my own canvas arts. It's because I wanted to save. Yeah, and here I was also talking at back saying, oh, I feel like my room would have been so nicer if I had mirrors on the sides of the bed, like on top of the pedestals. But I'm kind of like not into too many mirrors in the room. I already have 2 mirrors in the room, and always when there's thunder, I always close the mirrors. So I think like this will be like just an extra work that I have to do when there's thunder. I don't know how true is this, but growing up, my grandmother used to close all the mirrors when there's lightning outside. And yeah, so that's what I grew up believing. Is it true that the mirrors actually attract the lightning when there's thunder outside? Do educate me if that is true. So I must stop worrying if it's not. So, guys, a quick proud moment of myself. Some of you will call it bragging, whatever. But anyway, just want to let you know, guys, that in this room, I love this room so much, guys. It's not my dream room, but I love it because everything that is in this room, guys, it was a DIY. 90% of the things in this room, it's a DIY. We'll start with the walls. Walls used to be blue. I painted them white. I came with my dressing table and pedestals. They used to be brown. I painted them white, and headboard and the ottoman. I say ottoman, but some people call it kist. I don't know why. I say it's an ottoman because it's not made of wood. Kist is made of wood. I don't know. educate me if I'm wrong there. Yeah, I also made a DIY of that, guys. Both of those things used to be brown. I put the material on top and I made it my favorite color, which is navy blue. And I also sewed the curtains, guys. Like everything I did myself with the help, obviously, of my husband. But 90% of the work was done by me, and I'm quite proud of myself. Guys, the fulfillment that I get after finishing any DIY, it's beyond, like, really, I'm really happy with the things that I do. It just closes this gap somehow emotionally in me. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I feel like I'm doing something apart from concentrating on my family, which is the normal cooking, looking after them. But when I do DIY, there's this level of like I'm working on something. I don't know how to put it, but yeah, guys, that's the whole reason I love DIYs. Yeah, the biggest job that I've done when it comes to DIYs was to doing my dining room table, guys. That was beyond me, and I do wish to do more than that. But DIYs require money, guys. As much as you save money, it still requires money. But hopefully, we will do some. Yeah, so I do hope you get inspiration to stand up, do whatever DIYs that you've been meaning to do. Yeah, but obviously, if you can afford to pay someone, I'm not against that. For me personally, I prefer doing it by myself than paying someone, than even asking my husband for that matter. Anyway, guys, the room is done. The room is looking all lovely. I'm not into so much cushions now, guys. One or two cushions in my bed, that's enough. Yeah, and guys, I've been liking a touch of black in my decor in the whole house. Yeah, so I'm kind of like including that recently. So guys, if you are a black hijabi, probably you'll relate to this problem of mine here. Majority of my scarves, sometimes they've got this oil stains. So this other time I was watching TikTok and there was a lady talking, actually someone asked about how to remove oil stains on clothes or whatever. So she said you must try bicarbonate of soda, sunlight liquid, and vinegar. I think everyone just want to put bicarbonate of soda with everything. It works. It works. I won't say I won't say it doesn't work. It does work, and I really get why also they would say sunlight liquid, because sunlight liquid does take it out grease, so I really do get the idea, but it didn't quite work out like I wanted it to be, and I've decided that next time I'll just put it directly on the, like how she said. She actually said like that. It's just that I never follow anyone's instructions or whatever I heard. I just pick up an idea and I go with the flow with it, never really follow anyone whatever they say. So she did say that put it directly on the stain. So that's what I will do next time, because now what happened here, it left some white stains, because as you know, bicarbonate of soda with vinegar, it brightens things. So yeah, so I must concentrate on putting it directly to the oil stain. This is a struggle of mine, guys. Like my scarf are always like that. So that's why I prefer actually to even wear the stretch material scarf, not this what do you call this? I think this is a chiffony, or what is it? I forgot the material of this. Yeah, but I feel like these ones, they just, you can pick up your scarf are dirty with oil, and it doesn't look nice. I'm wearing so nice my clothes, and then my scarf got stains like this. Yeah, it's not nice. Anyway, guys, I hope you got some idea. If you have a same problem as I have, maybe to do the same thing, I thought I must share with you guys. This is me here preparing my lunch. This was for me and my hubby. Just is sweet potatoes, broccoli, just steamed broccoli. Sweet potatoes was so tasty, guys. I will share one day. The recipe is very easy anyway. It's nothing complicated. And these were the ribs that I marinated in the previous video. Yeah, so it was a bit of fat and healthy, because those ribs they were so tasty, but so much fat in them. And here I made lemonade with lemons, put lemons, water, and ginger and honey. It was so refreshing and so tasty. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to leave a like, share the video, and carry on supporting your girl, and tell me what did you like about this video, and leave a heart for me, just to say you were able to reach this level of the video, this stage of the video, or this part of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.